Hi everyone. Today we will learn about Kurukshetra University. That's if somebody wants to get admission into Kurukshetra University for doing or pursuing LLB, then how he or she can get admission into this particular university for pursuing their 5-year LLB or 3-year LLB or for their LLM. So let's know some basic about this university if you want to pursue your LLB or LLM from this university. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to visit the official website of this university, kuk.ac.in. There you will get information about everything, that how you can fill your form and all the things. But beside that, let me tell you something more about this university, that what is your eligibility if you want to do your LLB from this particular university or LLM. So first of all, as we know that this university is providing both type of LLB, that is 5-year LLB or 3-year LLB. But the students who can do 5-year LLB are different from those who can do 3-year LLB. For a 5-year LLB, you must be a 12th pass student. Like you must have done your 10 plus 2, that is 10th class plus your 12th. So you must have completed your 12th class, and you must at least have 45% mark from any stream. So if you are having 45% marks, then only you are eligible for getting admission in this university. Otherwise, you cannot get admission. So this is very normal marks which one can easily have. So if you are having 45% mark, then you can get admission into this university. But recently, like what earlier used to happen was that this university used to conduct a entrance exam, but in year 2021 this entrance exam was not conducted by this university. But we don't know about future, whether in future this exam will be conducted or not. But let me give you some basics about those entrance, that what they ask in their entrance and what is the syllabus in that entrance. So before that, let me tell you something more about LLB. Llb Basics, that this university is conducting 5-year BA LLB honors. BA LLB honors. So you must be at least 12th pass. So if you are a 12th pass, then you can apply for BA LLB, and this is a 5-year program. In this, this university has 112 seat plus 08 seat. That is, these 08 seat are dedicated to particular reserve seats that you can check on the official website of this university. But other than this, normally 112 seats are available for all the students. So you can get your name into these 112 names. And you can pursue your LLB from here. So let's come to fees part. So if you are doing 5-year LLB, then you have to pay 72,200 per year, near about that. Like it can vary from time to time, but it is like normal. Like you have to pay 72,200 rupees per year for doing your 5-year LLB. But if you are doing only 3-year LLB, then the fees is very less in compared to 5-year LLB. The fees is only 84,500 per year. So you have to pay that. And if you are doing only LLM, then it is 8,070 rupees only. So it can vary from time to time. So you can check that on the official website, that what is fees and all that. You can check, because it varies with passage of time. Like what I am telling you today, it might change tomorrow. So that is not fixed. But in LLB 3 years, they provide 172 seats. 172 seats are available plus 08. Like these 08 are also dedicated or reserved for some particular class. That also you can check from the official website. So for 3-year LLB as well, you must at least have your 45% mark in your graduation or masters. So if you are having 45%, then you are eligible for getting admission into this university. So you have to fill your form online through this website, and fees for application form is 800 rupees, which is paid to this particular university only. So this is a fees for application, and you will fill your application form. You have to pay your this fees. And when the entrance was conducted, it was having only 100 questions, and every question deserved 1 mark. Which was of 1 mark, and there were no negative marking, and usually the cutoff remains around only 30 marks, so it was very easy to get admission. And let's come to 100 questions. Those 100 questions, they were divided into 3 parts: 25, 50 and 25. 25 questions were for general English, then 50 questions were for like GS on all the things, GS, GK, current events, all these things, and then the 25 for aptitude. So you have to only just score 30 out of these 100, and you used to easily get admission into this. If the entrance start from next year onward, then you just have to score 30 marks, then it is easy for you to get your name into these 112 names or 172 names. But this year, no entrance exam was conducted for 3-year or 5-year LLB. So this is all about LLB. And if while you are doing your LLB, you are making your mind for doing judiciary, then you can opt for Unacademy. So you can prepare for your judiciary through Unacademy by and you can use my code Kushang10 for getting the subscription. Then you will get 10% off, and you can also get free live classes by using my code Kushang10. So you can do that also as well. And what are the benefits which you will get by doing preparation from here? That you will compete with thousands of aspirants and stand out from the crowd. And we will cover all the major topics. When you will do LLB, you will come to know that what are the major topics which comes in the judiciary exam. We cover all those topics. Okay, and then if you get the plus subscription access, then you will get India's best educator, interactive live classes, live test quizzes, and structured courses and PDFs. Then if we come to further part, like you will get expert guidance for your judiciary 2021 preparation, or for whichever year you will prepare for, like for 2021 or further onwards. And this is the price right now. Whenever you will see, you can check the what are the current prices. For 1 month, you just have to pay 6,800 rupees, and if you pay fees for 24 months, then you just have to pay 2,200 per month, and you will get 10% off over that if you will use my code Kushang10. And then there are more mock tests conducted over this platform, that is for IPC, CRPC, CPC, and Evidence Act on every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, 9 a.m. in the morning. And then we do the discussion about these tests on every Saturday and Sunday. Then you can follow Unacademy on YouTube channel as well as on Telegram. So this is all about the Kurukshetra University, which I wanted to discuss with you. I hope you must have understood that what Kurukshetra University is all about. So thank you for watching this video, and please do like it, share it, and subscribe with your friends, and share it with your friends.